Hey everybody, it's Anthony from HasslerJanet here, and today I am going off of my Transformers kick for another technology video, and here you see in front of you the Xbox Series S. Now, for anybody who knows me, I did not own an Xbox until 2019, and that was the Xbox One S all digital, and that's because starting in like 2008, I started acquiring digital Xbox content. And I decided, well, I had a little bit of insider information on how to get one of these. And while I could not pre-order it, I was able to get the second set or second line of releases directly from Microsoft. So that is how I acquired this thing here. For a little bit of history about me, I am not really an early adapter. I was born in the 70s when disco was king of music. And we had the Atari, the Nintendo, and the Super Nintendo, and they were things where my mom and my grandmother would buy them for me and my brother as a group thing for the holidays every so many years. And then it wasn't until the Sega Genesis that I bought a system myself, but I also was not early adapter. I bought it like 2 years after it came out. I bought the Sega Genesis 2, and then I bought the Sega Genesis, the CD attachment, and the 32X. By the way, for 10 years, that Sega Genesis 32X CD setup was my favorite game console. It played crisp music, CDs, it played the games I liked, Sonic the Hedgehog, come on, you know? It wasn't until the N64 did I become an early adapter, and it was only for 3 systems. So I started with the N64. I actually got it 4 days early because JCPenney's scratched the release date a little bit. Then I ended up getting the GameCube. And then I ended up getting a Wii. Now, the kicker on the Wii was it was defective. That was the first time I ever received a defective system, other than the old Nintendo, which had, you know, that deck thing. But I mean, that's a whole different bag of chip. But on the Wii, they had the graphic card error lines that were like vertical, that would eat up like half your screen because there's something wrong with the graphics card. Afterwards, I didn't become an early adapter again. I kind of just stopped right there, and then I would wait. So like I got the Wii U like a year or two after it came out, and then like 2 years after that, I got the what did I get? In 2008, I got the PlayStation 3, which I think it was 2 years after it came out, and then I got PlayStation 4 like in 2015. So I mean, and then I like literally the next year rolled into. I think that's when the Pro came out. I rolled right into the Pro. The Pro, I guess maybe I was an early adapter. I think I got that on release day. Haven't regretted it. Enjoy the PlayStation 4 Pro immensely. It's probably right now my favorite system. Nintendo Switch, I got it on its second year. So I was like, you know what, this is cool. It's great. But now I got the Xbox One S all digital. For my birthday for myself in 2019 in November, because I wanted to play Killer Instinct and all that on a TV, and nothing against my computer. The computer could run okay, but I really wanted the full experience. Plus I have Guitar Hero, a Rock Band, and I forget whatever I had. Anyway, a bunch of games, all digital. Never owned a disc for an Xbox system, so I didn't need physical. So I decided, well, if I'm going to go and get this thing, that I would get the digital again, because again, I have every, well, not every, I have games that I was like, you know what, I'm good, I don't need this game anymore. You know, I got rid of, but I still have like GameCube discs, Wii disc, Wii U disc, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4. I don't have room for more discs. So without basically continuing on this rambling here, let's just take a look at the box here. And as you can see, it is a pretty clean box. It shows the new controller, which simply just has this the share button here, and of course the container itself. It is heavy. I mean, you look at it and you think this can't be heavy. It's heavy. And it reminds me. I don't know if you remember the old Sega Genesis backs of the boxes where they used to show all the games you get, or actually I think the Super Nintendo even did it, and I really like that appeal. I like when they do this type of thing here. And this is a fairly clean look. I really like the way it looks. Really quick, the top of the box, just and then of course what comes inside of it. It tells you the system, the controller, the cable, has Wi-Fi, HDR, a 512 gig of byte SDD, no disk drive, 120 frames per second. I know it's really hard to see because of the proximity of the camera to the setup here, but still, it's simple, it's clean. I bought a 2 terabyte external hard drive from my Xbox One S all digital because I'm just going to put the older stuff onto the external, and this will become my primary Xbox. So we're going to just go ahead and lay this down here and figure out how to open this. Wow, right into it. Just facing it up a little bit. Power my dreams. Oh wow, that is heavy. So here's everything was in the box. This is a getting started guide. It tells you all the ports and stuff, and we're gonna look at that in a sec. And then of course you can set up using the app. Warranty instruction booklet. The new controller, which I like the design of the Xbox controller. It's smooth and to the point. Oh, actually, I do like that D-pad a lot better. I like that. Oh man, that is so much better. It's a little more clicky than I would like, but I'm not hating it. Oh wow, that is. Ooh, I like the textures. Okay, so basically the same removal process here. That's cool. Same ports. Okay. Definitely liking that. Definitely liking that a lot. And of course, inside the bag, a couple Duracells. So name brand batteries. Love it. Then of course here you got the power cord. So the brick is inside the system. So that's great. Then here is I believe this is HDMI 2.1, and so hopefully all goes well with that. So I'm going to take the sleeve off. Okay, now that we have the system out of the box, the front end it's rather plain. I mean, there's a USB port. I'm gonna guess this is like the power or function button. This is the power button. Yep. Has ventilation on the side. And again, this is heavy. Here's another vent. Apparently you can stand it on this side. Most likely I'm probably going to be. Because again, it's going to be replacing my my One S. Okay, so what do we got here? HDMI port, check. 2 super speed USB ports, check. Although they're not blue ported, but I guess it really doesn't matter. HDMI out, storage expansion, power port, and a Kensington lock. So that's actually pretty spiffy looking right there. And man, that is a basic design, but man, it looks so good. I definitely approve. Just the thinking of the size comparison to my Xbox One S all digital, it's such a savings in space. And frankly, if I wanted to, I could put this under my TV set because it is actually shorter than the space between the legs and the base of the TV. I'm not going to. Obviously, I have a place for it. It's replacing the One S, but this is spectacular. I just really enjoy the clean aesthetic, which is also part of the selling point from when I picked up the S in 2019. But wow, that straightforward, and that multimedia functionality and stuff, that's all gone. And of course, this just big old vent here. There's probably going to be a lot of heat coming out of here. I'm hopefully my setup is in such a way where this vent won't be, because there's other things nearby about 4 inches apart. So hopefully I can set this up where I'm not pushing heat into heat. But that is spectacular looking. And wow, I cannot wait to hook this up. I will probably be producing videos with it as I do with the other systems on occasion. I don't think I'm specifically going to review the quality. There are plenty more outlets out there that definitely do that. But I just wanted to take a first look. And I'm so happy that I work in an industry where I had this heads up so I could get this opportunity before the holiday. And I'm super excited about what I'm about to experience. Anyway, let me know what you think of the Xbox Series S. And are you getting it? Are you getting the X? Well, what about PlayStation 5? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for checking out our content. Before you leave, please remember to click like and then subscribe. If you want to receive notifications, do not forget to enable them by clicking on the bell. Then afterwards, check out our social media at HasledgeNet and our website at hasledge.net.